Welcome to the 2026 Power BI Complete Dashboard course. Let's start your journey. In this introduction, we'll explore what you will learn and how you can master dashboard creation. Power BI allows you to turn raw data into dynamic visualizations that provide clear, actionable business insights. You will learn how to present data confidently to your stakeholders and team members. Our modules focus on practical skills that are essential in a modern, data-driven professional environment. You'll master performance tracking by analyzing metrics like project cost and schedule indexes. We cover everything from device platform analysis to calculating conversion rates. Learn to communicate project progress and resource allocation through compelling charts. Collaboration is key. You'll learn to review and discuss financial data effectively. We prioritize clean designs that allow viewers to quickly grasp complex trends. You'll learn to build comprehensive dashboards that track sales, revenue, and top performers. Real-time updates ensure your dashboard remains relevant as your data evolves. Understand the interconnectedness of information through advanced data networks. Visualization is an art. We make it simple for you to master. Focus on high-level reporting like global sales figures and market share analysis. With clear visuals, data becomes accessible for every audience member. Explore various data representations, from simple bar charts to complex line graphs. Add a modern, engaging touch to your business reporting project. Learn to manage energy and complexity in your visualization layouts. Data analysis in the digital age requires both technical skill and creative vision. Master the art of creating clean, modern interfaces that effectively display complex metrics. Utilize dark themes to enhance the readability of your data-heavy dashboards. We will show you how to incorporate real-time data elements like circular progress bars. We cover dynamic presentation techniques to ensure your insights remain engaging and easy to interpret. Explore how AI automation can accelerate your workflow and boost your productivity during dashboard development. We will dive deep into business intelligence terminology to strengthen your analytical strategy. You'll learn how to present value-add metrics, like discount rates, to drive marketing decisions. Master the art of evolving data visuals that adapt to the changing nature of your metrics. Learn to map complex business processes into clear flowcharts that improve team alignment. Understand the project charter and how to present stakeholder information within your reporting dashboards. We emphasize depth and importance by using sophisticated layouts to showcase global data trends. Discover how to visualize interconnected data systems through conceptual and futuristic designs. Visualize digital information flows with dynamic animations that capture attention. Gain an appreciation for the abstract beauty and power of data represented through code. See how design collaboration leads to a better user experience for the final consumers of your dashboards. We provide training on creating intuitive infographics to simplify complex medical or financial processes. Master professional transitions to give your video presentations a polished, cinematic feel. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in designing, building, and deploying professional Power BI dashboards. Our final project synthesizes all your learning into a robust, real-world dashboard application. Take a sneak peek at the professional-grade dashboard you will construct step-by-step in this series. Before we begin, ensure you have Power BI Desktop installed and your source data files prepared. We will guide you through the ribbons, tabs, and the canvas so you can work efficiently. Understanding the data pipeline from ingestion to final delivery is the core foundation of your success. You're all set. Let's jump into the first module and start building.